Hello everyone, welcome to the World Range YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe for more. Today we are discussing fourth topic in second unit chapter 4. So, today's topic for discussion is what-if scenarios. Definition of what-if scenarios. Scenario is a set of cell values that can be used within your calculations in a spreadsheet. Each scenario is named, can be edited and formatted separately, and can be chosen from a drop-down list in the navigator and the title bar of the scenario. When the spreadsheet is printed, only the contents of the currently active scenario are printed. By adding a scenario, you can easily view new results for the arguments of a formula. You can create several scenarios for any given range of cells. It is used to explore and compare various alternatives under changing conditions. At the start of any project, this tool helps optimize the output by predicting results based on varying inputs. This allows for selecting the best course of action. For example, Radha is a saleswoman in a car showroom. She is asked to plan for sales for the next quarter by building multiple scenarios under different situations. Pause here and read again to understand. Create a table in Calc as below and add multiple scenarios based on number of cars that she will be able to sell for each of the car models. Okay, let's go. The first step, select the cells that contain the values which will change between scenarios. To select multiple cells, hold the Control key and then click on each cell, as you can see in the following image. Second step, click on Tools menu, as you can see in the following image, too. Third step, select Scenarios option. See point 3 in the image. Create Scenario dialog box appears on the screen. Type a name for the new scenario. This name will be displayed on the title bar of the scenario on the sheet itself. By default, the name of the scenario is Sheet Name, Scenario 1. Now step 5. In the comments section, you may write any comment to explain the given scenario. Here for Sales 1, we have given a comment as expected minimum sales with no festivities. Step 6. It is optional to select or deselect different checkbox options in the Settings section. Following options are there in Settings section. Display border. It is used to highlight the scenario with the border. The color for the border is specified in the field to the right of this option. The border has title bar displaying the name of the last scenario. Here we have selected yellow color for Sales 1 scenario. Copy back. It copies the values of cells that you change into the active scenario. If you do not select this option, the scenario doesn't change when you change cell values. Copy entire sheet. It copies the entire sheet into an additional scenario sheet. Prevent changes. It is used to prevent changes to the active scenario. Step 7. Click OK to close the dialog box. A new scenario is automatically activated. Repeat steps 1 to 6 to create another scenario. Once the scenario is created, its value can be edited and rest of the file will automatically be updated. Multiple scenarios can be seen in drop-down list. Step 8. As seen above, 3 scenarios have been created. Sales 1 with total sales value 3,053.90. Sales 2 with total sales value 7,077, 8,000. Radha can present different sales by selecting different scenarios. It is easier to present varied data with the help of scenarios.
Okay, now let's do it on Calc. As you can see, I have data here. Okay, first step, let's select the cells for which we wanted create scenario. Here I am selecting column C, number of cars, from C1 to C5. Second step, go to Tools on menu. Then select Scenario. Scenario dialog box appears. You need to give a scenario name in the box. I named it as Sales Team 1. Next, write down new comments for this scenario. Here I am writing some of your friends' names so that I can know who all are there in this team. There are other options as you can see here. I have selected 3 of them. Except Copy Entire Sheet Box. I also selected border color red for this team. Then click OK button. Done. As you can see, the first scenario is created with red border line and the scenario name as Sales Team 1. Here I will change few values. As you can see, the data in sales value automatically updated. Now let's create second scenario. Follow the same steps. First, select the data range C1 to C5. Second, click Tools on Menu. Then select Scenario. Scenario dialog box appears. You need to give a scenario name in the box. I named it as Sales Team 2. Next, write down your comments for this scenario. Here I am writing some of your friends' names so that I can know who all are there in this team. I also selected different border color for this team. Second scenario, as you can see in the drop-down list, and scenario name is Sales Team 2. Here I will change few values and the data in sales value automatically updated. As you can see, two scenarios in the drop-down list, each scenario with different color and values. When I select a scenario, the data is automatically updated. Now let's create third scenario. Follow the same steps. First, select the data range C1 to C5. Second, click Tools on Menu. Then, select Scenario. Scenario dialog box appears. You need to give a scenario name in the box. I named it as Sales Team 3. Next, write down your comments for this scenario. Here, I am writing some of your friends' names so that I can know who all are there in this team. I also selected different border color for this team. Scenario name is Sales Team 2. Here I will change few values, and the data in sales value automatically updated. As you can see, all the three scenarios in the drop-down list. That's it. You have successfully created 3 scenarios. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section and like this video. Subscribe for more.